AQM Sydney comes to the Overseas Passenger Terminal, Circular Quay, with direct rail connection from Sydney Airport to Circular Quay or a 30-minute taxi ride. The Overseas Passenger Terminal is just a 10-minute bus ride to the CBD with its vibrant boutique shops, restaurants and theatres. This harbourside venue is within walking distance to the many hotels, the historic Rocks area and numerous restaurants. AQM at the Overseas Passenger Terminal offers you the opportunity of viewing the many ranges just released at the Spring Market in the USA, as well as the opportunity to sample the breathtaking panoramic views of Sydney Harbour with the Harbour Bridge and Opera House close by. Saturday the 2nd and Sunday the 3rd of June will be a premier event to note in your diary. Don't miss the opportunity to win a lucky dip draw for a complimentary Sydney Harbour dinner cruise on the Saturday evening for 6 couples on board a Captain Cook vessel. We look forward to your attendance.